So I have problem with my tailgate not opening. So this guy opens up just fine. This guy, it makes some little noise, but it doesn't want to open. So what is best solution to get to this to open? So you have to kind of push this guy forward first. It releases this two pins on this both sides. Then use some kind of pry bar like this or something to go deeper inside and get the bottom ones over there. Push that one out. Do the same on the other side, and then do this ones. Pry them up. And then what you want to do is go with your hands inside, and there's gonna be that module right there. You can see this module, and then go below it and you feel there's like a trigger. You want to just pull it upwards. That's it. Release the latch. So I got my guy opened up. So see, it looks like it's pretty. Maybe it could be just this thing that's not letting it go, but let's see. It's not letting it go. So could be anything. Cause see, it's not releasing anything right now. Could be even my fuse. But it was the thing was opening and randomly on me sometimes, so I think the motor might have been going out or something, grounded. But yeah, this is how you open the trunk lid if you can't open it. And yeah, and then you can replace the motor, so then we have access to it. So hope this works, and yeah, just take this rest of the screws and it's gonna come out. Take care, guys. Thanks for watching, and you have a good day.